Hello everyone, at first take my salam and very good day to you. This is Nafiza Sultana from College of Nursing, Shere. Today I'm here to tell you about an amusing topic, and the topic is how did I take preparation for B.Sc nursing admission test. Thank you sir for giving me the wonderful opportunity. So it is time to share you some important thing. First of all, I want to say in a word that every university admission test is challenging because the number of seats for the students of our universities are not adequate. So we need admission tests to get a chance and admit us. Now I am a B.Sc nursing student, so I overcame the part. Now I would like to share my experiences. The exam is for total 100 marks and the time is 1 hour. In the marks distribution, we can see first 30 marks for English, second 20 marks for Bangla, third 20 marks for general knowledge, fourth 30 marks for physics, chemistry and biology, and last 10 marks for general math. For Bangla, you have to read your intermediate Bangla textbook for first paper, and for Bangla grammar you can follow the class 9 to 10 textbook. These books are enough for you. I think this is so much helpful. For English, you must know the basic grammars, which are also included in your academic textbook, academic syllabus. I used to follow one book that is Apex English Grammar. You can follow also. This book is so much effective for the admission test student. For general knowledge, it has two parts. First one is about Bangladesh, and second one is about international and current news. Every general knowledge books are good. I used to follow one book that is 𝐄𝐧𝐠𝐥𝐢𝐬𝐡. You can follow this. Then the physics, chemistry and biology. These 30 marks are based on the basic concept of physics, chemistry and biology. You should capture all your textbook, and you can follow class 9 to 10 textbook, because class 9 to 10 textbook can give us more primitive knowledge or better basic. For mathematics, general maths questions are too easy, but a little big. If you want to solve these questions within a short time, then you should follow some techniques. You can practice those types of maths from the question bank, where you can get last 10 years question. In our Bangladesh now, our government B.Sc nursing colleges are 13, and the seats for the students are 1200. Last year, 20,000 students took part in the B.Sc nursing examination, and among them, 1200 students got the opportunity. For this, you have to gain a minimum marks. There is a question. How much mark can help you to get a chance in government nursing college? This is totally dependent on question type and the highest mark. According to the highest marks, first 1200 students get the opportunity. If anybody want to admit them in government non-government B.Sc nursing college, then they have to gain in this admission test a minimum number, and that is 40 marks. Then I always follow one technique, that is read a little but memorize more and more, because there is no benefit whereas you read a lot but forget everything. So you should remember, and you also should maintain your time. In the exam hall, after getting the question paper, don't be panic or so much excited, because you should be always calm and quiet. It will help you to concentrate your in your question paper and answer. The questions are not too hard, but decorated tactfully, so you should answer them tactfully also. And best of luck. Wish all your success. Thank you.